Maybe it's a water snake now.
Water snake.
What does snake say? What does a snake say? Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know. I think it's a neighbor with a trash can. What does the snake say? Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Neighbor?
Oh, that's a dump truck.
Oh, it sounds like a dump truck, like a trash truck, huh?
Oh, that's
You're getting to be a good swimmer. That's very good, kicking your legs and paddling with your hands. You are a good swimmer, Landon.